If you're a golfer who has had persistent or recurrent lower back pain or sciatica for months or years, this video will help you understand the importance of systemizing. But before I get into that, I really recommend watching my videos on prioritizing and understanding first, if you haven't already. And even if you have, go back and watch them again. As I said in my earlier videos, your motivation will dip as your pain lessens. So you can't rely on motivation to carry you back from the edge of the cliff of pain. Having a goal will help you stay on course, but it's not enough. It'll keep you heading in the right direction, but you're likely to run out of steam. I had a goal to be 6'2", but I didn't grow enough. I simply didn't do what it takes to reach that goal. James Clear, the author of Atomic Habits, puts this brilliantly. You do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. How many times have you started an exercise regime only to slip out of the habit of doing it, or had some other good intention but failed to follow through? This is so common. There are lots of distractions in life, aren't there? I don't know about you, but I'm busy. Now, even though you may have mentally prioritized your lower back and you've got a good understanding of what you're meant to be doing, things can still go wrong. For instance, when I go on holiday or travel for work, it's really hard to maintain any sort of habit. This is often when good intentions fly out the window. Many of your habits change when your environment changes. So you have to create systems in order to optimize your chances of maintaining your forward momentum. Agreed? Or am I missing something? I'll state it again, and if you see this differently, please let me know. As your pain lessens, your motivation will dip. Without motivation, it's likely that you will relapse, unless you have established systems to ensure your continued progress back from the edge of the cliff of pain. Once you've systemized, you will have to continue with these habits for quite a long time, possibly forever, depending on a number of factors. That's why the fourth pillar is hang in there. More on that in another video. In the meantime, if you'd like to know what you should be systemizing, if you're a golfer with persistent lower back pain or sciatica and you'd like a better plan than the one you've had, come along to one of our free workshops. The link is in the notes below this video.